right, here we are. We're about to give away a basically brand new 2018 KTM 250.
Guys got a #1 plate. He's gonna hold it up high.
So we are. I'm sorry if this angle's not the best. You know, as you can see, I have to use both hands to drive. But we are headed to the Burnout King's house right now. The kitchen burnout master, Clay Walker. We're gonna go see what he's up to, sneak up on him, probably washing a few cars, who knows, but we're gonna go see what he's up to because this guy is crazy as hell, as if you can imagine. All right, we're here. We're pulling in. What is this guy doing? I just see the garage is open, but that's it. I don't see him out. Normally he's out. I don't know where he is. Clebo, where you hiding? I'm gonna take the front row parking. Where you at, fool? The Burnout King.
I had my ringer off.
Hey, we're vlogging now, so you gotta say what up.
Well, you should let me get my hat on.
No, you can't redo it.
Well, okay.
You already out.
What's up? How y'all doing, world? No.
Burnout King.
It's happened before.
You think you can do another one for us?
Not in this house.
Oh, I didn't say this house. I just said
you supply the house and the dirt bike I'm in.
This is Crusty Demons 99.
There you go. I'm all made over.
I mean, the bike's really not too dirty. Hey, Clebo, you got any Simple Green?
Oh, hell no.
What are you using, dude?
Bro, Eagle Grit all the way.
No.
It's way better, dog. I'll show you.
All right, show me.
Show you.
That's the professional here, so we'll let him talk. You know what I mean. God, that stuff smells good.
Yes, sir. Lemony fresh, bro.
That's your jam, huh?
Yeah, bud.
Eagle Grit. So if somebody wants to order this stuff, they can hit you up, huh?
Absolutely. 706-218-2011. Call me anytime. I got it in stock in the shop.
Hey, do you hear that? Hey, do you hear that?
Sounds like a fucking eagle. Eagle Grip, baby.
Give me your best eagle impression. With your arms flapping and everything.
No, I ain't got
yeah,
it.
come on, man. Come on, man. Do one. No, do one for our boy Gunther Riggs. You know Gunther does them.
Who?
Gunther.
Who's that?
Ronnie Max Bud. Come out like a pack of wolves. Look, this man knows how to clean a bike so good, he don't even have to have a pressure washer.
No need.
What? That saves the what does that save? Saves the world?
The environment?
Yeah, the environment. No exhaust fumes and no gas.
There you go. Well, electricity too, because they do make electric.
Yeah, and no electricity because we're not on that electric bullshit. Dude, you know what? It's been so long since I've used an actual Kickstarter. I haven't used a Kickstarter, dude, since 2014. Bro, that's been almost 6 years ago.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, even on my KLX 110, it was all electric start. Yo, dude, check this out.
What you got, boss?
Circuit, dude. They freaking sent me a new exhaust. Look at this bad boy, dude.
Whoop, whoop. Hump,
New
dude.
silencer.
Hannah.
Oh, there it is.
PC, baby. Yeah.
Boom.
Nice.
Well, that's gonna look and sound amazing, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
Thanks to the guys at Pro Circuit, that's gonna be sweet.
Nice.
I can't wait. The wheel posy. To give away a basically brand new 2018 KTM 250 and a whole lot more. This is about to be crazy. Who's gonna be the lucky winner of this motorcycle? My heart's pounding. Oh my God.
What? Who won it?
Chad Ward won the motorcycle.
Chad.
Swear. Yeah, that's been a minute ago. 2015, I still owe you. I guess I owe you total when you said it now.
Tell you what, man, your story is all inspiring, and to still see you out here doing it, dude, you're changing lives. Guys, this guy's got a #1 plate. He's gonna hold it up high.